What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing a special video. Today we're going to a trout pond and we're going to be using mesh spinners to catch trout. What's up, guys? We're getting our lure out. They're probably up shallow by where they're jumping. You say this is what we're using. Oh yeah, I can whip that guy out there. Oh, trout. Oh, he wants it. He chased it in. There's a trout. I saw it. It's trout. Get your rod out here. He chased it in. Oh, I got smashed. I'm off. Oh my God, I got wrecked. Holy crap. Oh my, get your rod in this freaking thing, bro. I got wrecked. There. What's going on? Is my fin spinning weird? On. Oh, bro! You saw that? What the heck? Oh, trout! Let's go! Boys, let's go. There you go. That's a nice rain. There you go. Quick bit. Here, quick bit. I can take a screenshot of the thing. There you go. Okay, you can release him. Nice rainbow. If he doesn't live off.
Dude, that was a cool ball.
Yeah.
No,
I don't know if we want to.
You know, I was trying to be as gentle as I could, but I think I got him out of the water.
All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you what I'm using today. I'm using a Bass X rod. I know it's not probably fit for this type of fishing, but this is all I got. All my other rods are up north. And then I have a Pro, what do we got here? A Pro Qualifier reel. I don't know how I forgot that, but yeah. Oh, right there. Yeah, I don't see your trout. But that's good though. Oh my God, it's a big one. That's a bigger one. Oh, look at the jumping. Jesus, chill, bro. That's a nice one. I don't want to measure that one. Oh, at least he didn't swallow it. No. Chill. You're right here.
It's in my front small spot.
Yep, I got you. Okay. Can you get him out by yourself or do you need pliers?
I might need pliers.
Here, I got him.
Barely hooked too.
Yeah, see him. Oh my God! Here, be careful with these.
Let me hold the tape.
Yeah, I got the fish. I got a picture for you. Yeah, that's one. 10 and a half. Look at that here. I'll just 10 and a half. They're slimy. Buckets. I'm gonna just throw this guy back. Ready?
Dude, let's go.
Nice trout, rainbow. Here he goes. I just caught another one. What the heck, bro? Outdoorsman is at 3 trout, bro. What the heck?
Bro.
Is he unhooked?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Look at that. Throw him back.
I got better too.
There's another trout.
Are you ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Let's go.
I think they're too slippery.
Jeez.
Bro, what? I gotta take one cast, bro.
Try my
There's no way we get 4 in a row here.
Try my rod.
It's fine. We have like the same rooster tail, don't we?
It's by far the best trout that you ever had.
Fine. I've not caught a fish besides a bluegill on this rod yet. This is crazy, bro. It's crazy 'cause nobody else is fishing out here. I have water on my screen, bro. My hands are sticky. Oh, yeah. Well, it's been a really good day so far, guys. How much fish is that? 4 now? You need 3, right?
No.
All right, 3. 3 trout so far, guys. We've only been here for what? We've only been here for 15 minutes. Only 15 minutes. I wish there was brown trout in here. I think there's only rainbows. The only thing I like with this is I can cast it farther. I'm gonna put on a different blade. Let's wait, compare lures. Oh, come here. That's like a dead something. I don't know what that is. Here. I don't know what that is, and I didn't watch the hour episode, though. I just watched the turkey hunting part and a little bit of the... Listen. He's falling. What is that? Is that trout? There's a bluegill now on it. There's a trout that hit it. I can see it. Yeah, I'm still catching fish with this. Well, you're still catching fish. I didn't like steal it. No, it's 12 gauge. You don't see it, right? Oh, DNR's looking for the light's kind of slowed down. Yeah, they won't. Oh, no freaking way, bro. I'm telling this ride when I get home, bro. I just got bit. On. Finally. Get on off here, bit. There we go. Finally. Guys, we got a trout. Anyway, here. There we go, guys. There's a trout. Where's it? Thank you. There's a... Hey, thank you, guys. There's a nice trout, guys. Nice little rainbow. Let's give him a good release.
We didn't have every morning there.
What we should do is we should bring some and put them in the pond.
Well, yeah. Yo, let's see if my dad can
On. Yep. On again, guys. Cash right after that. He's on. Oh, it's a nicer one. Oh, that's a decent one. Yeah, we might need the net on this guy. Nice one. Nice one, guys. Oh, yeah. He's not that big, actually. There we go. Another rainbow.
Picture that. That looks cool.
That's a nice
Here,
thing.
leave it in there first.
Here, can I get a photo with it? Yeah. Here, boy. Don't move. Chill, buddy. Something I'm getting caught before. Another nice trout, guys.
They're so pretty.
Let's release this guy. There he goes.
What's that, 5 trout now?
Yeah.
5 trout land.
Oh my. That was a giant hit, bro. Oh, he chased it in. He chased it in. I saw him. It wasn't big. Got him. Oh. Probably not. Yes, I got it. Come on up here, big boy. Come on. It's a decent one. It's a lot. Nice one.
It's 6 and the span.
10.
Yeah, 10.
Nice 10-inch trout. Dang it. Well, we got one though. 6.
Big one.
Is it? Not that much. Here, let's see if we can get a double quick.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming.
Guys, that's 7 trout.
7. Last fish of the day. Nice. All right, you can release that guy. Look at the colors on these guys. They're so pretty. All right, release that guy. There he goes, and he's off. Thanks, guys, for watching Me and Outdoorsman. Heck of a day. We're still gonna fish a bit, but I don't want to edit too much because we're gonna catch a lot of fish.
Yeah.
Don't forget to hit that like button. Go check out Outdoorsman. I'll put his link in the bio, or not in the bio, the description. Thank you. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.